The 6.4 kilowatts 220 volt electric heating 1620mm roller heat press arrives in a quality container, and this is how you assemble it. Dismantle the box with a spanner or electric bit and a flat screwdriver. At the bottom of the box, you will find all the parts, so you can unpack them at this stage. Once that's done, you will need to take the main unit off the bottom section of the box. Creating a leverage is your best option so that you can screw the wheels in place on either side. Make sure to use the lockable wheels on the front side. Always hand tighten it first, and once all the screws are in, you can tighten with a spanner. Next, you can install the feet on either side, which come in between the wheels. Tighten them in place, and for now, keep them shorter than the wheels. And now you can simply slide the main unit off of the box. Find a good position for the heat press and lock the front wheels. From here, you can assemble the table and its stand unit. Unscrew the screws that are already in the right place. Fit the table to the main unit as you see here and screw it in place. For the table stand unit, first screw the feet in on either side. Get your screws ready and slot it onto the table as you see here. Hand tighten it first and then secure with a spanner. With that done, you can now strengthen the table stand combo with these side brackets, one on either side. Next, you can attach the side panels of the front take-up rollers to the table stand. Once done, you must remove the safety tape from the top of the double roller before inserting it in place. You can see that there is only one way to insert it on this side. Then insert the other side. Great. Next, you can assemble the motor bracket in the middle of the table on either side. We will get back to this later to complete this particular install. For now, you can continue with the top of the machine. Assemble the take-up motor on the right-hand side, viewed from the back of the machine, and its corresponding bracket on the left-hand side. Now, first insert the double take-up rollers on the right, and then insert it on the left-hand side before securing the fitting to the machine. It makes it easier to install. Now tighten all the screws down tight with an Allen key. Once that's done, you can install the top front roller. It goes over here, pop it in, close the bracket, and tighten down. Do this on both sides. Now you can complete the front section by inserting the bottom take-up roller. Simply slot in place, and use the tensioners to allow you more freedom to move at first, and then tighten them again. Now install the stabilizing rods in the front as well. The side panels for the take-up rollers at the back go over here. The tensioner is on the left, and its corresponding bracket is on the right. Secure them down, and at this stage you can fit the rest of the take-up rollers in the back of the machine, as you see here. And now we can come back to the middle of the table and complete the motor installation. The motor fits in the middle of the brackets and is secured by these stainless steel cylinders, 2 per side. Once you have slotted them through, you can secure them in place with an Allen key. The 2 motors are joined by a wire, so make your way to the other unit and install the second motor in exactly the same way. Always hand tighten at first and then tighten with an Allen key. Use this take-up roller without a cap to fit into the motors in the middle of the table. The power for the motors gets plugged in over here. And the last thing to do is to attach the handles to all the roller wheels. Simply screw it in and then tighten with a screwdriver. And there you go, assembly complete. Enjoy your electric roller heat press.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.